China is one of the greatest countries in the world and in the continent of Asia. If you're considering going for a vacation in China, here are 15 reasons why you should visit. The first reason is its rich history and culture. China's rich history and culture should be the first motivation for you. With over 5,000 years of culture and history, China is truly one of the most impressive civilizations in the world. China boasts the world's richest breadth of culture through its history of food, tea cultures, medicine, poetry and art, calligraphy, opera, costume, festivals, and many more. Number 2, amazing natural wonders and landscapes. In the Asian continent, China is the country that has the most beautiful natural landscapes, starting from the Li River in Guilin to the legendary Yellow Mountains with their sea of clouds and hot springs. China also have other impressive land monuments such as the Rainbow Lakes of Zhujiao Zhangyayi National Park, the Tiger Leaping Gorge, and many more. Apart from its natural wonders, China also houses diverse biomes, from deserts along the Silk Road in the northwest to sea coasts in the southeast, plus high mountains, fertile plains, frozen tundras, and lush tropics in between. Number 3, impressive man-made architecture. China is full of old treasures and enormous wonders that surpasses other countries in both size and number. Starting from the Great Wall and buried armies to ancient architecture like city walls, pagodas, temples, and giant Buddhas. China has many outstanding wonders to explore. In addition, China is home to sites like the world's largest ancient place, the Forbidden City, the Terracotta Warriors, and the Temple of Heaven in Beijing. So this is an important reason for you to visit China. Number 4, diverse cuisine and food. The fourth reason for visiting China is its diverse cuisine and food. If you are a lover of food, you want to try the diverse foods of China. Noodles are a staple in the north, while southerners eat everything over rice. Areas like Sichuan and Hunan love spicy foods, while some of the coastal regions love seafood. Number 5, more than 55 ethnic groups and variety of cultural customs. With more than 55 ethnic groups and variety of cultural customs, don't you think there is an opportunity for you to mix with people and learn their traditions? You can see the Zhuang people with their traditional wooden stilt homes, or the Yao women with their record-breaking long hair. Visit the Miao village to hear traditional mountain songs and the traditional paper-making process. Walk the mountain monasteries throughout Lhasa to meet the devout Tibetan monks. A visit to China promises to be an eye-opening experience when it comes to learning tradition and cultures of other people. Number 6, experience China's modern marvels. Although China has a rich history and a land full of ancient cultures to explore, China has also made a progress in the digital era with its modern innovations, including high-speed rail systems, mobile payment options, and shared transportation opportunities. With just a few clicks of a button on your smartphone, you can board a train in Beijing, buy a coffee, or rent a bike to explore the city. China also houses some of the largest cities in the world and is constantly modernizing its skylines. All of these points are enough reasons to visit China. Number 7, the world's richest breadth of culture. China is one of the 4 old civilizations with a history of over 3,000 years. It boasts the world's richest breadth of culture. When it comes to originality in language, China's language supersedes others. Another thing to consider is China's food and tea cultures. Chinese medicine, poetry, calligraphy, opera, costume, festivals, and porcelain before even considering other things. Number 8, most impressive ancient heritage. China has the world's largest ancient palace, which is known as the Forbidden City. China's awesome and tremendous ancient treasures surpasses all other countries by size and number, starting from ancient palaces to the Great Wall, city walls, buried armies, canals, pagodas, temples, and giant Buddhas. Number 9, most varied and spectacular natural wonders. As far as natural beauty is concerned, China goes bigger and more varied and spectacular than any country in the world. An example is Yulong River in Guilin, been treasured as the best landscape under heaven. There is also legendary Yellow Mountains with their seas of cloud and charming rocks and pines, the rainbow lakes of Zhujiao Zhangyai, Guilin's charming karst hikers, most loved gorge, and Tiger Leaping Gorge. Number 10. The world's greatest variety of cuisine. Another good reason to visit China is because of its famous food worldwide. Each region in China has its own unique dishes. You can try foods like Beijing roast duck, Shanghai's soup dumplings, spicy hot pot in Chengdu, rice noodles in Guilin, and dim sum in Hong Kong. Number 11. Adorable giant pandas. Checking out the adorable giant pandas is another good reason. This adorable giant panda lives nowhere else in the world outside of captivity. In the world's most treasured endangered species, it is the world's most treasured endangered species, so it is a must-visit place for you. Number 12. Cheap labor. Of course, labor in China is very cheap, and that's why top brands in the telecommunication industry like Samsung and Nokia transport their parts to China for assembling. Number 13. Greater travel convenience and traditions retained. As a tourist, you can travel conveniently without worrying about transport failure. China has been entering its digital era with highly developed 4 modern innovations: shared transport, high-speed rail, mobile communication and payment, and internet shopping. Travel in China is easier than ever before. With a smartphone in China, you can board a high-speed train from Beijing to Shanghai running at 250 to 350 kilometers per hour. You can buy a coffee with your digital wallet and ride a shared bike to explore the city. Number 14. Easily accessible international flights and free visa policies. China is far away, but is easily accessible unlike many other countries. Many direct international flights now connect major cities around the world with Beijing, Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Guangzhou. China also have 72 of 144-hour visa-free transit policies in major cities, which allows you to enjoy a short tour without a visa. Number 15. Expertise in traditional medicine. When it comes to traditional medicine, China is the best. In China, you get easily affordable herbs that can cure any ailment you have effectively. Thank you for staying tuned. If you enjoyed the video, comment down below and subscribe and share with your friends. Hit that notification bell to keep you updated for more information.